The 4-year undergraduate Btech program in Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering offered by the department has the main objectives to train students as leaders in research and development and in industries, and thereby producing good quality bioprocess engineers. With more than 22 years of experience and A-grade accreditation by NAC, the department offers a library furnished with over 350 high-grade standard books, a research and development wing encouraging students to work on practical-oriented live projects, and much more. The placement cell offers best opportunities for students to start a good career with esteemed companies like Zippo, Biocon, USD Global, Infosys, TCS, and Alliance. With immense opportunities for employment and career aspect, biotechnology continues to cover vast aspects of the modern world, and the department I Biotechnology at MCET offers just the same.